I just hope y'all handbrake is better than the quality of all this other. Cause they say 5-pound lockup, bro. I just feel like it just feels, I don't know. Yeah, bro, this sucks that this is really not doing that, bro. So today, I have to finish mounting this bracket. The only reason why I haven't done it yet, this bolt that holds the bracket that goes through the new dual caliper bracket, it doesn't mount straight to the bracket. You have to put a nut behind it. I don't have hardware to tighten it down, so I have to go to the store and get some hardware to tighten that down. Also, the clearance is pretty tight. I might have to shave this down some. I guess that's the dust shield, I'm assuming. If not, oh well. I'm gonna shave that because this needs to fit. I'm actually gonna just start threading in the fittings. This one I sat in there earlier. I still have to figure out this bullshit problem. I still haven't figured that out yet, so we'll see. But I'm about to set the camera up and start installing these. We'll thread these stuff in. Probably finish running the line under the car. Try to do everything I can do at the house before I have to leave the house to actually go get anything, because I do not want to leave the house multiple times. So alright, nope, pulled out the wrong thing. So I'm back at the house. End up going to Horsepower and Ace Hardware. Got this from Horsepower. This should be the right thing. What I was talking about, that Sickie did not send me in my fucking kit, so I can screw all this shit in. Hardware to mount the bracket. Now let me take this out first. I feel like it should be better now though. Like it should fit. If that's that one. That's this one. Look like it's thinner. Oh yeah, I could squeeze it in there and just hold that thing. So I got that. Those should fit. Hopefully the bottom one I could get on also. Oh, perfect. It went down in that bitch, but at the same time, I mean, it don't sit stupid flush. That shit might annoy me. I just hope it doesn't leak or none of that. But I mean, it sits in there and it kind of locks it down, so it should be straight. So this should go in here. Boom. Now I should be able to put this in here. Like that. Boom. And this should be able to go on there. Like that. We making progress. I don't think it should hurt if I put some on here. That goes on here, on the threads. Like thread locker type. But a little white foamy thing. I'm about to mount up the calipers, because I could do that now. Oh, that's awesome. So that's in now. That's awesome. So let me get the caliper. Now I can install that bad boy. Install this bad boy. Slap them nice ass brake pads in this bit. Beef. Second caliper on both sides, bolted up. I should just have to run the lines now. Figure that out now. Other side mounted. So now I'm about to try to finish running all these lines. Alright, so now put some Teflon on here. I don't know if I need to, but to be safe. Yeah, that's on. Or should this be on the other side? I don't know just yet. So I should go into the car now so I can finish running the rest. With the T. I gotta find somewhere to mount this underneath. So yeah, I'm gonna look for that now. Alright. Everything connected now. Lines connected. And that's ran down there. Zip tied it there, zip tied so it won't fall down and touch the drive shaft. Over here, zip tied it so it don't get close to the exhaust. It's not touching anything and everything works fine. Now I just have to bleed it. Never bled brakes before. I'm not gonna sit here in front. So I'm about to get on YouTube. After I'm done bleeding this, put the wheels back on and probably take it for a test drive. Maybe, because I locked the keys in my truck, so it's kind of blocking me. But it's good so far. So yeah, I'm about to do that now. And I say so yeah a lot. Alright, so I was bleeding the brakes. I was on the last caliper, which is this one. I did this one, everything was working perfectly fine. I was in the car pumping it. For some reason, I kept seeing bubbles coming out the reservoir. So I kept pumping it a little bit more, held it. Then it kind of had like a little snap feeling in it. Wondering what the f going on. Looked under the car, didn't see anything leaking. Then it finally started leaking. Yeah, so honestly, bro, this company, I'm not even gonna flex, bro. I'm not f***ing with y'all boys, bro. I am not f***ing with y'all. This jumped out, like the whole fitting ripped off. Right now, I'm trying to get some pliers and close back up that gap because apparently it slipped out of wherever the f*** it was. How? I don't know, bro. But honestly, it's horrible quality to me. I don't like talking about people, but yo, bro, this is too many things that's going on with a kit, bro. I'm not finna flex. So yeah, I mean, if I get this to work, then it works. If not, I feel like I'm gonna have to just buy a whole nother line for this side. Honestly, not even for this side, for the whole thing, because this is not gonna happen to me again. I haven't even put the car on the ground yet. I just hope y'all handbrake is better than the quality of all this other shit that y'all sent me that keep breaking or not working. Just less horsepower. Got some real. This is the part number if you guys want it. Alright, so came back, I changed the lines, didn't record it, I just changed it. As you can see, this is the straight fitting now instead of an angle. I mean, I feel like this is kind of better because the other one was kind of pulling the cable down this way and then back up. So this is pretty straight, I guess. I bled it. I feel like it still need to be bled a little more. This side changes too. And I actually got the lines a little bit shorter. These lines was f***ing long as f***. But this, I don't know how is this supposed to feel, or if I gotta put this back some more. It might be straight, I don't know, because they say 5-pound lockup, bro. I just feel like it just feels, I don't know, but I didn't see no more air coming out of it. It might be straight. It's the first time doing it, so I don't know. I'm about to put the wheels on it and I don't know, probably let the wheels spin in the air and see if it locks it up. Look pretty dope.
you just checking?
The fluid level on this shit, but it ain't doing shit. I had a feeling it wasn't gonna do shit, bro, cause I'm like, bro, this feel like it go back way too far, bro.
That's how I felt too. I was like, maybe it's supposed to do that, but I don't.
Like, it's supposed to feel like a brake.
Right, so it should be like tough.
Man, bro, this sucks that this is really not doing that, bro. This is the most that it did.
Wow. So we're going out again for round 2 because apparently this thingy-majigger started working now. Dre pumped it a couple million times. Now it works. So now we're about to see if it actually works on the road. There we go.
But that was still too much of a hard of a pull, bro. That was way too much.
Alright, do it again.
Like, it locked up a little bit.
Oh, I was like tired.
That's a lot of smoke. Yeah, I gotta bleed it some more then, bro. Because honestly, I'm not even supposed to be pulling it that damn hard, bro. So it's like, bro, 5 pounds, bro. I'm pulling way more than 5 right now.
Yeah. We're pulling with like almighty.
That's what I'm saying.
So this is what Dre was doing.
That feel like that's about to lock up now, but I feel like it's air in the system, so that's why it's not. Because when I be telling them to leave the pump this shit, because, bro, nah, this shit ain't even going nowhere.
So now it's real round 2. Game on. Drift time. Whoa.
That is how it's supposed to be, bro.
Woo! Oh, it's scary, but exciting at the same time.
Shit was.
No.
Damn, the front wheel got stuck. This shit need to be bled more, though. I'm gonna go take it in the backyard and bleed it more.